Let's turn them on at the same time and use our magic. 1, 2,
I did it.
3. Bibbidi bobbidi boo! Oh my gosh, guys, it's a magic portal. Do you want to go in?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Disney World was so much fun, but it feels great to be home. I think it feels a lot more better to be home too. Let's go inside and relax, guys. Okay. Wait! Why is Spaceship Ryan on the floor, guys? There's a note there and it says, "Follow me." Where are we supposed to follow him? I don't know. There's just the note here.
Let's make Ryan go where he takes this way.
Okay, Lola, do you want to take him back? Whoa! Check out this egg, guys. And it's the color purple.
Yeah, let's open the egg and see what's inside.
Okay, I think it's Race Rod Ryan, but he's small. Check him out. He has these cool white flames and his car is all red. There's a note inside too and it says, "Follow me again." Whoa, it's another egg! But it's green. Let's open him up. Okay. Whoa, it's Police Car Ryan. Look, there's another note in here too, and it says "Follow me again." So, you want to press go? Whoa, let me have a try. Let's make him go back. Oh, crap. Look, guys, it's an orange egg. Let's open it up. Who wants to open it?
I want to.
Oh, let Izzy do it, because she didn't really have a chance. It's 2 bath bombs. It's an orange with Combo Panda.
And Sheldon.
And Sheldon in a red. Is there another note in there? Since I opened it, I'll check. It says, "Put me in water." Okay, I'm gonna put it in the water. And it smells like cherry. My favorite. Whoa! Look at that fizz. It's really hard to break in. Oh, we see some of it. It's yellow. Here, break it quick. It looks like Sheldon still. Yep. It's Combo. We got Combo, guys. I wasn't expecting Combo, but here he is, and on the back is just yellow. Is there a secret message? Where do we go from here? Nothing seems to be happening with this water, so we're gonna move it out of the way now. Whoa! It's a gold egg! How did that get there? And where's our bowl? Okay, let's open it. Whoa! There's a note inside. Take me to your box fort. This is a Build-A-Ryan. Cool. Okay, let's go in. Whoa! Oh my gosh, guys, it's Ryan's blanket. And it's Sheldon. Ryan.
Samuel
Ryan.
And this is the inside of the box.
Guys, it says lift me up. All right, let's lift it up. There's nothing's in here. I don't get it. What are we supposed to do? I know. Let's look around a little bit to see if we can find a clue. Maybe there's something in here. In the egg. Maybe turn it over. There's a note. It says use your Elsa wand and lightsaber. Huh? Wait, I just remembered I have something in my luggage. All right, let's go look.
Where's my lifesaver?
I think I have it. Mine has an Elsa themed bag. Here they are.
My lifesaver.
My Elsa wand. Let's turn them on at the same time and use our magic. 1, 2,
I did it.
3. Bibbidi bobbidi boo! Oh my gosh, guys, it's a magic portal. Do you want to go in?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Whoa, they went in through the portal. Let me go in too. We're in Ryans World portal, and look what we found, guys. It's the White Ryans World Mystery Egg, and it's season 2.
This is what I want for my birthday.
Really, Lauren? Well, we have it now. Do you guys want to go back through the portal and open up the egg?
Yeah.
Whoa! I'm so dizzy from going through that portal. Whoa!
Whoa, there's Lauren too. Everybody's out.
And we got the egg.
That is so cool. What'd you guys get?
And we also got this.
We got the Series 2 Ryans World egg. Let's go open them up.
Let's go open this up too.
So we have our Build-A-Ryan eggs and our giant mystery egg that we're gonna be opening right now, guys. All right, start opening. Okay, so I'm gonna start with this egg first. Here, Lauren, you can open one. It looks like... I'll open it. Addie, you wanna open one? You know, I got somebody's head. We got his Professor Ryan's head, and Addison opened up her Professor Ryan's body, and you can take apart. It's super cool. But let's put them together. Lauren got Combo's head, and I got his body along with a gaming controller because he loves his video games. Professor Ryan. That is Professor Ryan.
I got Combo.
I'm gonna open up the 2 last eggs. So she has a crown. It's King Ryan. Ooh, look at his gold crown. I can't wait to play Show his gold crown. His gold crown is so pretty. His royal staff. Put it there. Whoa, that is so cool. Here's what we got, guys. We got King Ryan, Professor Ryan, and Combo. And I think Combo's rare. So we got King Panda and Combo King. Let's put their bodies back together.
Open up the mystery egg.
Okay, karate chop it, karate. Oh! Addison's shirt.
I think Addison's more excited. What's there?
Whoa.
Check out the vehicle. Which one is that?
It's Ryan Patrol.
Let's see.
It says Patrol on the back, and then R for Ryan.
All right, guys. So here's what we've got inside. What's our first one? Here, Lauren, you can open this one up.
I'm open it.
Here, want me to help you? Oh.
Not with your teeth, baby. That's the mystery figure.
You grab it from the side.
Here's our police, Ryan. Okay, Addison.
She got a...
You open up the next one.
She got a pirate. Yeah. Very slow opening.
Pirate Ryan. Let's see. Look.
Pirate Ryan.
Pirate Ryan. Okay, what's next in there? And these you can open up 1, 2.
Ooh, we got a duplicate.
That's okay. Is that the King Ryan?
No, it's Space Ryan. It's a space shooter.
It got squished.
Addison
Want
is
me to help
opening
you?
up the next one.
No, this is a darker silver.
Let's see what you got. Oh, it goes back and forth. This is the race rod, guys. Check it out, the pullback race rod.
We got the orange one, the dark silver one, and the light silver one.
That is so cool. And then we've got police Ryan over here. So what's in there now?
It's open.
Whoa. Wow. It was Ryan.
Who's that?
It's
It's a squishy. No, I think it's an aviator, Ryan.
Yeah.
Let's see him. He's super squishy. You know who loves squishies? Addison. Let's see if she'll like to squish it.
Addie, you like
Addie,
this?
look. Squish, squish.
Yeah. Squeeze.
Squeeze, squeeze. Squish, squish. Okay, let's open up the last one. What's the last thing that you have, Lauren?
We have this.
Which is the
I
glue.
wonder what color it is. It's pink.
Let's see.
Let's try and get it open. Oh, there we go. We have it.
Oh, it's like a dark pink. Very cool.
Oh, it's so gooey. Whoa, that's so cool.
Look at that. So cool. And the slime's gonna get combo panda. Let's slime combo panda. Cool. Do you like the squishy? Squish, squish, squish. So guys, let's show everybody what we got in our giant Series 2 white mystery egg. Look. And all of the other toys, including the mini eggs, right? Mm-hmm. So we got our mini eggs, which are build your own Ryan, and you can change the pieces there, right? Which one's your favorite, Lauren?
I like him.
You like the police car, Ryan?
I like him and him.
Oh, very cool. I love the dark spacesuit here.
And I like my combo.
And we got a squishy that Lauren's playing with.
Thank you guys so much for watching our video. If you guys enjoyed, please give us a big thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below. Which Ryan's toy did you guys like the most? Anyways, we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!